Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine heavy sound problem, what to do. Are you having trouble that your Bosch washing machine is making loud heavy sounds, especially during the spin cycle? Don't worry, in this video we help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. Unbalanced load. Heavy items like shoes or blankets can get unbalanced and hit the side of the machine, causing loud banging noises. Avoid overfilling the drum and rearrange any unbalanced items inside. Also, make sure the drum and the top is closely tightly. 2. Loose transportation bolts. If you forgot to remove the transportation bolts designed to secure the drum during shipping, they can cause loud banging or thumping noises. Check your manual to locate and remove these bolts. 3. Foreign objects in the drum. Loose change, keys, or other small items can create a racket as they bounce around the drum. Press pause and open the machine and remove any foreign object you find. 4. Worn bearing. Over the time, the bearing that support the drum can wear out, causing high-pitched squealing or whining noises. You may need to replace the bearings, which requires a professional repair. 5. Uneven installation. An uneven installation of the washing machine can become unbalanced during high-speed spinning, leading to loud rattling or vibrating noises. Adjust the machine's leg to level it on flat, hard surface. If the noise persists after checking this common issue, it's best to call a professional technician to diagnose and repair your Bosch washing machine. Ignoring a noisy machine can lead to further damage, so it's important to address the problem promptly. Thank you for watching.